every song. There are a couple of takeaways that I always have that I could share. There is something in it for you, even if you do not have the time to even transcribe this song completely. One important disclaimer that I would like to make at this point is this is not a tutorial. The groove and realized how there are subtle 16 note subdivisions or syncopations that are there that has to be bang on for the song to work. For example, groove in the verse. The A minor actually doesn't come in the next bar. It actually starts at the last 16 note of the previous bar itself. 2 and 3. 4 E and 1 E and Jordan, while he's grooving super hard, he goes beast mode and gives in these fills in the bridge. From a C to C on a G major scale. Yeah. Oh yeah.